A light magnitude 2.5 earthquake hit 38 kilometers, 24 miles, away from Izeh, Khuzestan, Iran, in the morning of Wednesday, May 14, 2025 at 7:26 a.m. local time, GMT plus 3:30. The quake had a very shallow depth of 7 kilometers, 4.3 miles, and was not felt, or at least not reported so. First to report, IRSC after 14 minutes. Data source from Volcano Discovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May the earthquake that occurred not affect our brothers and sisters there. May the earthquake not happen again. And may God protect everyone. Amen.